Hey, man, come on over here. We got your glasses off. You don't never supposed to take your glasses off.
Back here live, coming from you with Shady Fields, Shadyville farmer Lelo. You know, he have all these different titles. I can't keep up with him. So today, we're gonna see what you're gonna be.
Mom, dude's using the kale as a microphone. You dig?
When it's organic, there's no need to panic. 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 The produce I grow, I know that it's lemon, the veggies, the fruit. I know they taste better, potatoes, tomatoes. I grow whatever, I drop it in time. They come up on schedule.
You dig? Go ahead and plant that corn, mama. Shake 'em up, mama. Yo! That's how we plant corn in the trench, baby.
And so now, son, can you explain to me how to pick the seeds?
Well, mother, the seeds are not ready just yet. We have to wait for the actual seed pods to form and grow. As you can see right here, first you'll have the flower that will come and bloom, and then the bees and the pollinators will come and get the nectar, and then that's when the seed pods will form. After the seed pods form, they will swell up. When they swell up, they will then start to die off, and when they start to dry out, that's when you have your seeds. But when they swell up too, you can then pick them off and then dry them yourself, and you'll still have your seeds.
But I'll be having my birthday, April 7th. Cheers to me. Not 63, 62.
You don't look 62 at all.
Mm-hmm. Well, just cause my son had me out here slaving in this yard, getting this work out. You see how hard it is to lift this thing up? Now that he's not out here, I can talk about it.
Broad fork action.
See? See? That's how you live to be 62.
Whoa! You can do it. Put your back into it. This is a no-till method. It loosens up the soil. It allows air, water, and nutrients to travel through the soil, as well as it wakes up some of the microbiology in the soil and moves it around so the plants can have a great ecosystem to live in, and their root systems can thrive and grow and be strong, so we have big healthy crops that'll feed our bellies.
And you can exercise too.
Right on point.
So we're gonna make that happen. We got some strawberries, we got some tomatoes, we got some peppers, we got some flowers, we got some cilantro, some spinach.
So how we gonna know what you got? You gonna leave a tag on everything?
It's all in the brain. Oh. You got to know what you grow, so when you come out here, you just pop, 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 pop. Ain't got no time to look for no tags and stuff like that, cause it's gonna grow big, it's gonna grow luscious.
So when it grow, I'll know.
But you got to know when you know.
But once it grow up, you'll know from what's there.
But beforehand, you got to know. But what us farmers do, we supposed to take a log, do a diagram, show everything.
That's what I'm talking about. See, I knew you was a smart kid. I just want you to show it when you're out here. Use your education.
Mama. Just like that. Yep, they keep on rocking. And as you rocking it.
Time it, y'all.
All right, go.
I'll get it.
Don't hit the rocks, huh? We trying to give you a better scope.
I don't need one, cause I'm done, Charlotte.
You can't be around people, but you can be around the plants.
Now, how about that? What time was it?
You only did it in 36 seconds.
I think it was less than that, but due to the way my breathing is going, I'll say 30. This is what happens when you work out in the garden.
Bet you ain't know that.
We trying to drop them. We dropping them like Plinko chips. Make sure they get on both sides so they can climb up real good up on this fence right here.
Getting ready for next season.
No, these gonna be ready in about 60 days.
Ow! Okra planted. Planted. Oh my God.
Yo, Furg, what up?